County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north central Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rockford to near Davis Junction to 8 miles northeast of Walnut, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Kalb, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Lake in the Hills, McHenry, Belvidere, Woodstock, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Campton Hills, Fox Lake, Rochelle, Island Lake, Marengo, and Sandwich. Including the following interstates: I-39 between mile markers 78 and 108. I-88 between mile markers 70 and 112. I-90 between mile markers 22 and 56. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Boone County Fairgrounds, Elgin Community College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Here we go! Doubleheader! My first doubleheader! No way, my first doubleheader!
In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe...
Holy cow! It's pouring. Doubleheader!
A severe thunderstorm was located near Beloit, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to roofs is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding.
Doubleheader.
Locations impacted include Beloit, Clinton, York, Tiffany, Showpier, and Funks Hollow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doubleheader. Nice.